Hey guys, welcome back to I've lost my voice. How am I going to do this voice over anyway? So guys, today I'm in my son's school. They are having an excursion. The reason why I'm hiding the kids is because we were told that it's not allowed to take the footage of the kids and the pictures of them. You can only take a picture of your child. So I did respect the rules and the premises of the school. But on the outside, guys, hey. And what's crazy is that the other kids wanted me to take a picture of them. They wanted to be in the video, to show in the video. And since I was carrying the tripod, they were so interested. But yeah, we're here.
Oh, that's like a social time. Yes. Sayiphatha nje kanje. Iviki benze.
Not run around, okay? Yeah. When someone comes to home, they run around. Okay, that's very
We're at UMngeni Bird Park. We're here to watch the birds. Come along with me so that you can enjoy the viewing of the birds. We're going with the school. I'm part of a fan. I don't even know where my son is, but I'm gonna look for him. Let's go. Gunang. The noise. Okay. Okay, there's a pool here. Hello. This is a jungle gym. There's another school in here. So yeah.
Okay, the blue pen is considered one of our next door birds, okay? It's black, yes. You're very good. It's the color that's different, okay? This is
Ay, gelona. Hello, peacock. Hello. Yes, this is so interesting and nice.
Guys, come this side.
They're so big for their age. 1 year old.
I'm not going to take you guys where I know the birds are going to bite you.
Hello, Choma. Now we are having a lunch. It's lunchtime. Yeah? Uba. Okay. Oh, thank you, Baba. No problem. Yeah. Naughty boy. Touch things. Hey guys, so right now the kids are playing. We're waiting for them. And I'm drinking a tonic water. So they're here at the jungle gym. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thank you.
Hey guys, how you doing? Hope you're well. So guys, today we are at IXopo, at Lufafa. We're here to build ikaya, ikaya. Nothing hectic. Yeah, so stay tuned.
A Drakensberg. Go from here. Let's do the kusaduzane. Hey, it's not too far from here. I know what I'm doing. I know what I'm doing. That's why everybody speak. Yeah. This one is yours. Windy here. Okay guys, let me show you where we pick water. This dam is finished, so now we're going to try to look for a JoJo tank that is around here on top of the mountain, so that's what it comes for building. So we're here. Okay, let me try to show you what's the car. I don't see where. Now, yeah, this is where we are going. Am I pointing right correctly? I don't know if I'm pointing right. guys. I'm on top of the hill. I'm on top of the mountain. Not clear. Hello. This is how far we've gone. See? Our job is well done. Just to later, inside. Yeah, yes. So I need igama lale phakile kade sivakashele last week. Like on Friday.
Bird.
Sorry.
Bird park.
It's UMngeni
Park.
Bird Park, River Park or something like that. But there's river. Uyangithela.
Sorry.
Thank you. Just we are with December. So etelela. Oh, thank you.
Pelile.
Yeah, I'll see you guys on the next trip. Yeah, ngiyakhumbula i-island ithiwa bengaka.
Isibengeke isavula.
Izindlu nazo sambalo.
Yebo. Ngavela ngayeka le ndawo la eSouth.
Why?
Isaqa.
Wayekelani?
Ha, isibali befuna ikeke isibali. Ayilento ukuthi umuntu ungayithatha uthi hayi vele nje. Yazi besithi nje.
Indaba wayeka.
Cha besinalento ukuthi eThekwini. Mawakhe eThekwini awakhe emakhaya. Besaba nje le ngqondo le yabo.
Waqasha.
Ngathi ngisangiqashile mina ngiqasha. Bethi mase uvulwa le ngathi hawu angiyekile.
Yabuya ingqondo ukuthi hayibo.
Ukuthi hayi. Babanika abantu abangakhili kodwa abaqoqo. Thina nje siyayishiya la.
Uyabhunguka.
Yes, na ngo December siyavala sishiye isigodo ngesemakhaya. Sishiya la nisi.
Hayibo wakhe into ezomile beyinje ukhe inhlaba.
Funa lezo. Funa leyomi.
Eyani yomuthi?
Bathi yayikhipha inyongo.
What? Imaya uyachatha noma uyaphuza?
Yaphuza.
Ya baba. Ngiyakhalela nami ukike kodwa ngeke mayibaba.
Ushili izwathi manje usekhohliwe yamkhumbuza ngidebe. So khalaya nje.
Mina ngakho umagumethi, so umagumethi nomba.
Ha yobo.
Waze wabola. Ngawusebenzisi. Wena nje let's uphaqa wakho balethela. Let's uphaqa wakho. Thank you. Hamba kodwa. Guys at IXopo. Now we are at the West Town Mall. Yeah, and then